Hello again. I'm going to show you now how to view and use the responses that you get from a Google Forms. So again, I'm going to open up Google Chrome, go to Google Forms. All right, now down here on the bottom, you see all of the Google Forms that you have created. I have my example one that we created in the last video right here. So I'm going to click on that to open it up. Up here at the top, you see a questions and a responses. You can see on this one, I have 3 responses to this forms. So I'm going to click on responses, and I will be able to see what parents or what students or what people have put into my Google Forms, depending on the use. So up here, you can look at it by the summary. This is where you can see every answer for every question. You can filter it by question, or you can use individual. I like to use individual view. That way I can see what all of the answers for every student. So for example, this one, I have a make-believe student, Bobby Joe. I can see his name, parents' name, the answers to their questions, all the way down. All of this is for Bobby Joe. Then I can go to the next response. This one is for Brittany Joe, and I can see all of the responses just for her. Then I can go to this one and see it for Brother Joe and go all the way down for that student. So there's lots of different features up here. You can create a spreadsheet. There's lots of different options. Again, you can preview it, go back and send it if you need to send it to another parent. And you can always go through and edit it again if you need to. But that is how you view and use responses from your Google Forms. Hopefully this helps.